Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Hub. English listening practice. Level up your skills fast. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Everyday English Hub with me, Zoya. Please stay with us until the end because in this episode, you will learn how to understand fast English, train your ears with mini stories, practice shadowing for fluency, master numbers and daily phrases, and recognize accents easily. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support me. Your encouragement inspires me to create more amazing lessons for you. This class is perfect for intermediate and upper intermediate learners. We'll focus on natural accents, connected speech, and quick reactions. Ready to level up your English listening? Let's begin. 1. Why listening is hard. Many learners know grammar but miss fast speech. English connects words. What are you doing becomes what you doing. Training your ears daily makes listening natural. Repeat slow and fast versions with me. 2. Sound blending examples. Say slowly, do you want to eat? Fast, do you want to eat? Another, I don't know. I don't know. Native English blends words. Train to catch both. 3. Shadowing practice. I'll say, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee. Repeat fast and slow versions. Shadowing, repeating instantly, improves speed, pronunciation, and memory. 4. Focus on meaning. Don't try to catch every word. Listen for key ones. Traffic, late, meeting. She's late because of traffic. This is how natives understand. 5. Mini story practice. Tom woke up late, missed his bus, forgot his keys, but smiled. Can you retell it? Stories improve listening, memory, and speaking. 6. Quick question. Drills answer quickly. What's your favorite food? Speed, not perfection, builds fluency. Your brain learns faster when it reacts instantly. 7. Essential phrases. Practice daily phrases. Could you say that again? How much does it cost? I'd like some tea, please. Familiar phrases help you in real-life conversations. 8. Layered listening method. Listen once for the main message, again for details. Finally, repeat word for word. Repetition makes listening automatic. 9. Short dialogue practice. A. Hi, how are you today? B. I'm great, how about you? Fast. How are you today? Mimic speed for better fluency. 10. Writing what you hear. Listen, she's been waiting for you all day. Write it down. This builds focus and ear training. 11th, active listening routine. Choose 1 2-minute English video daily. 1. Listen 3 times without subtitles. 2. Listen with subtitles. 3. Repeat and memorize. Consistency. Long study hours. 12th story with emotion. Anna bought a dress, wore it to a party, and felt happy. Stories add emotion. Emotion improves memory. 13. Numbers and dates drill. Listen, it's $23. 23 bucks. Numbers are key for conversations and shopping. 14th, intonation practice. Really can sound surprised or doubtful. Listen to tone and emotion to guess meaning. even if words are missed. 15th, shadowing sentences. Repeat instantly. Let's go to the park. Don't forget your umbrella. Daily shadowing equals fluent listening and speaking. 16th, accent variety. Train with US, UK, and AUS English. The more accents you hear, the more confident you'll be globally. 17th, UK example. I'll ring you later. I'll call you later. Context helps you understand unfamiliar phrases. 18. Key rule, paragraph 1. Listening equals understanding, not translating. Focus on meaning, emotion, and key words. Repeat after me. I'm just looking, thank you. You'll use this at a store when shopping. Next, how much does it cost? That's useful in every store. Last, I'd like a cup of tea, please. These are basic but important phrases. Native speakers use them every day. Practicing them improves your listening. You'll also feel confident speaking. Learning English is about communication. When you can ask simple questions easily, you'll enjoy conversations with native speakers. So, practice daily expressions like these. They'll help you connect with people. Now, let's move to listening tricks. Paragraph 2. One powerful trick is listening in layers. First, listen for the main message only. Second, listen again for details. Third, listen and repeat exactly. This step-by-step method improves memory. You'll catch more words each time you listen. Many learners listen once and feel lost, but repetition is your secret weapon. Even native speakers rewatch movies to learn. So don't worry if you need to repeat. Repeating is a sign of serious learning. Each time you'll feel more confident. Listening in layers works with all videos. Try it with today's lesson too. Let's practice another mini dialogue. Paragraph 3. Let's listen to a short dialogue now. A. Hi, how are you today? B. I'm great, thanks. How about you? This is a simple daily exchange. Now listen to it at natural speed. Did you notice how are you sounds? It's like how are ya in fast speech. Native speakers often blend words this way. Practice saying it quickly. How are ya today? This will help you understand real conversations. Repeat after me 5 times. Daily repetition makes your ears sharp. Don't just listen. Speak with me. Speaking reinforces what you hear. This is how you train fluency. Paragraph 4. Now let's add a new challenge. I'll speak a sentence twice only. Your job is to catch every word. Ready? She's been waiting for you all day. Write it down, then check your answer. Let's do another. I couldn't find my phone. Fast speech makes some sounds disappear. Couldn't often sounds like couldn't. This is normal in natural English. Don't stress about perfect spelling first. Focus on hearing and repeating. Listening is about training your brain. You'll catch details as you improve. Write, listen, and repeat every day. Soon, you'll understand English movies easily. Paragraph 5. Here's a powerful study method. Choose one short English video daily. Listen 3 times without subtitles first. Then, Listen with subtitles for accuracy. Pause and repeat after each sentence. Finally, listen again without reading. This trains both your listening and memory. You'll notice fast improvement in weeks. This technique is called active listening. Many students only watch, not listen. Active listening means focused practice. It's better to listen 5 minutes actively than 30 minutes passively. Consistency matters more than time. Let's keep practicing together. Paragraph 6. Now listen to another mini story. Anna bought a dress yesterday. She wore it to a party with her friends. Everyone said she looked beautiful. Anna was happy and took many pictures. Can you tell the story back to me? Try to repeat it from memory. This builds your speaking and listening. Short stories are a fun way to learn. You'll remember new words easily. Stories create emotions and images. That makes learning natural and quick. Practice storytelling every day. It's great for fluency training. Shall we do another quick exercise? Yes, let's go. Paragraph 7. Let's practice numbers and dates. They're hard to catch in conversations. Listen, it's $23. Now say it fast. 23 bucks. Native speakers often say bucks for money. Here's another. See you at 7:30. Did you hear 30 clearly? Numbers need lots of ear training. Write numbers as you listen to practice. Listen. My birthday is April 14th. Try to repeat quickly without mistakes. Numbers are everywhere in English. Mastering them makes life easier. Practice them with prices, dates, and times. This will help you understand faster. Paragraph 8. Listening isn't just about words. It's also about intonation and emotion. English speakers use tone to show meaning. Really can mean surprise or doubt. Okay can sound happy or sad. Listen to emotions and voices carefully. This makes conversations easier to follow. Even if you miss some words, tone will help you understand the mood. Watch shows or cartoons to hear tone. Try to copy emotions when speaking. This improves your natural sound. Communication is more than vocabulary. It's also body language and voice. Practice both to sound confident. Paragraph 9. Let's do a shadowing practice drill. I'll say a short sentence 3 times. You repeat immediately after me. Let's go to the park this afternoon. Good. Now another. I'll meet you outside. One more. Don't forget your umbrella. Shadowing builds listening speed. Your brain learns to copy sounds quickly. It also improves your pronunciation. Shadowing is like singing with English. It's fun and effective for all learners. Do 5 minutes of shadowing daily. You'll see results in 2 weeks. Listening and speaking will feel easier. Keep practicing every single day. Paragraph 10. Another trick. Listen to different accents. English has many accents. US, UK, AUS. At first, accents may feel difficult, but the more you listen, the easier it gets. Start with your favorite accent first, then slowly add other English accents. This prepares you for global English. Many students only learn one accent. That makes it hard to understand others. Listen to podcasts, music, and shows. Expose yourself to variety daily. You'll understand everyone easily. This makes your English more flexible. Diversity is part of learning. Let's try a UK example next. Congratulations! You finished today's lesson. You've practiced shadowing, mini stories, accents. Now your listening skills are already better, but practice daily for real fluency. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe now. Click like to support my hard work. Your support inspires me to create more. Share this video with friends learning English. Listening practice works best in a community. I'm proud of you for training today. Come back tomorrow for a new lesson. We'll focus on speaking faster and naturally. Together, we'll make English fun and easy. Thank you for learning with me, Zoya. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.